The first one, write a Python function to reverse a list at specific location. Okay, to reverse a list at a specific location means we want to reverse. We don't want to reverse the whole list. We want to reverse a list at a mentioned position. Okay, so that's we see now. So suppose takes okay here. See, first we suppose if you enter list here, enter list. Suppose if you enter list like this one, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, this list here we entered here. So I want to reverse only this 4 comma 7, 4 6 7 6 5 4. Okay, I want to reverse only this last four element, uh, last four elements only. I don't want to reverse whole list. I want to reverse only 4 5 6 7. Okay, so for that you have to enter the position starting. So what's the position of our list? Is a zero index position. Okay, list is zero index position, 0 1 to third. Okay, location is third here. So if you are entering 3 here, okay, third position, ending position is 7 means 6 here. Okay, because the list is zero index, so you have to remember that one 6 here. Okay, so I am swapping this 4 5 7 6 2 to 7 6 5 4 like this one. Okay, so I'll start less than n obviously. So just we have to assign values to multiple. We can assign multiple values to the multiple variables here by swapping. Simple. Like start means starting value and end equal to end comma x start here. Increment the start and end value here. Okay, and decrement the end value here. Swapping. Just execute output now. Enter list here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Enter the position. I'm entering the third position here. Sixth position, ending position, sixth. See, observe here. 1 2 3 7 6 5 4. Okay, 7 6 5 4. 7 6 5 4. Okay, so you can check another output also. Means you can another way of output is if you want to enter different positions, just check it here. Okay, different positions and different starting and different endings. Just check. Okay, simple one this one.